Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel TechUp. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable account linking in forwarded messages on Telegram. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you're gonna see options like contacts, chats, and settings. Tap on settings from the bottom right corner of your screen. Now from there, navigate your way to privacy and security, where you'll find the privacy section. There you're gonna have to select forwarded messages. From there, you'll see a question, who can add a link to my account when forwarding my messages? Go ahead and tap on nobody. Also, you can add exceptions there. And guys, that's it. That's how you disable account linking in forwarded messages on Telegram. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.